Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking about some of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault palettes. I do have two of them here and I do have one on my eyes right now. Here we go. And this one is, what is this? Bling Boss. This is the one I have on my eyes right now. I kind of wish I did some eyeliner with it to make it pop more, but I really just kind of went for more of a natural look. As you can tell, I've been having a lot of fun with this. This one's definitely one of my favorites is Bling Bling. But so far with this palette, I've had a really good experience and good time. I will say some of these it might take a little bit more to blend out, like Rockstar and Mystic, but they do blend out. They just need a little bit longer of more of a blending time, I will say. But some of these are so pretty. I love Gem. If you do want these shimmers to really pop, definitely recommend a wet brush. That's what I did today, and I have a little bit of some Bling Bling, and I got a little bit of Ballsy here, and I just think it'll come out so, just so pretty. I absolutely love the way that looks. And then on my bottom line here, I took and I smudged some of Rockstar and Mystic. And don't mind my fingers, by the way. I just dyed my hair, so it seeped through the glove, so that's why. But I just kind of smudged some Rockstar and some Mystic. You know, smudged it out there. Doesn't look as good now because now it's been a few hours, but really I love this palette. And this is about $15. You get a mirror and all that. It feels nice. So it's about 12 months. I'm not sure on my whole code thing and all that. I know that's like a whole thing, so not really sure, but I did get mine from Ulta. And then next I did buy Armed and Gorgeous. I didn't want the whole vault. The one was all warm tone shadows, and I just didn't really call to me on that one really, especially because I kind of want the ColourPop Soul palette, and I wouldn't want to get both. And the other one just looked kind of like kind of drab and really dark, but not dark in a cute way, kind of dark in like a muddy way. So this is what Armed and Gorgeous looks like. So pretty. I have used a few of these shades, but I'm not ready to actually give this one a review yet. But I want to show you guys this is what this one looks like here. You can kind of tell which shades I did and did not use. This is actually going to be my new subculture. Because between some of the tones in here and then some of the burgundy tones in that one, I figured that'd be perfect. I absolutely love my subculture palette, but it actually went bad, so that really sucks. So yeah, I've totally noticed some similarities between this one and the other one to kind of bring a subculture in. Really love VIP. And what else? I used some of these, and they were pretty good. The only thing I will say so far in this palette, this is not a full review on this palette, but this was something I was kind of disappointed. This is the main color I bought it for, and this is in the shade Top Secret. If you really want it to look like that, you really have to really build that up, which is a little bit sad, but again, this was only $15, and I do have to use this more. I've only used this palette 2 times, so this is not a full review on this one. I've mainly gravitated towards this one, which was Bling Boss, which so far I'm in love with this palette, so I would definitely recommend buying this one. I really love this one. This one I have to play with some more to get a full opinion on, but I do wish that was more just like how it was in the pan and it translated like that in my eye. It just kind of looks like a gray-green on the eye, so I don't know. I'll do a look sometime and you guys can see what I mean, but again, like I said, not a full review on the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I absolutely love the Bling Boss. I think it's so beautiful, but definitely check out that one. But I will come back to this one and talk about this briefly more, but I did want to show you guys that I do have another one. But I wanted to kind of give my little opinions out there, but I did use that today, and I'll show you actually which ones I used today. So like I said, some Bling Bling. I used this Hush Hush in the crease. I used a little bit of Rockstar and Mystic on the outer V there, and as well as I mixed those two and smudged them on the lower line. And then I did a little bit of Ballsy and kind of put that in the middle to kind of blend those two darker shades with that. And I just really liked it. Oh, and I used a little bit of a Sparks too, as well as the lower lash line, because I wanted a little pinch more of red. I really love how Gem looks. If you really want it to look like that though, definitely wet the brush. Recommend to all of the foiled shadows. Definitely wet the brush and you will get that full effect. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to come on here real quick, give some thoughts and opinions, and please make sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.